morning, welcome back to Northwest Angling. We're back on the river, we're back on that cod hunt. So over the local side today, fishing close to Seacombe Ferry. There's myself, there's Jay, and we're in search of what's becoming a bit of a unicorn at the moment. We're after the cod. So it's an early start, got down here about 6 o'clock this morning. A little bit of rain to contend with just as we arrived. Bit of a wind as well, but that's died off now, which is turning into quite a pleasant morning really. So we've got high hopes of getting that first cod out. So it's got here 4 hours before high water, fish it right up to high, see how we get on. Maybe fish it an hour or so back, see what's happening. So yeah, just had first couple of casts, couple of bites for Jay. So yeah, we're in hopes of that first cod. So we'll bring you back, show you what you're using, show you the baits, rigs, etc. And hopefully we can get a few fish on camera as well. So we've got Jay here into the first fish by the looks of it. Bit of a slack line bite. It's going that, isn't it? Let's get that net. What's it feel? Staying deep, innit? Staying deep, innit? Going now, innit? What is it? Cod. Nice, mate. Yeah, it's a couple of pounds, isn't it? Oh, it's in the net. Lovely, mate. Happy days. Forgot what it looked like. Nice one, mate. Yeah. Get in. There we go, guys. So there's Jay's cod. Fish of around about £3. Lovely, clean looking fish. The first one I've seen this year. So, and that was on your second cast, that, Jay, yeah? Second cast. So, promising start, that. I've just been shown a handy little tip there from Jay. So I've heard about it, but I've never actually seen it. So wrapping a paper clip around the shank of your hook to secure your baits on. I think it's a cracking little idea, that. So as you say, you put one end, straighten the clip out, put one end through the eye of your hook, wrap it round, so you've got 2 prongs here. And then basically what you do then is, you get your bait, place it along the shank of your hook, those 2 prongs. There we go. So your hook sits really nice and proud. And then because you've obviously got this coil around your shank of your hook as well, when you're binding your bait on with your bait elastic, that gives it that extra security as well. And you get a perfect hook presentation every time. So I think that's a cracking little idea. To say, I've heard about it, I've just never actually seen it. There we go. Hook nice and proud, bait secured, ready to be launched out. So we've got a nice bit of tidal pull there now. Tide's flowing. And look at that. Sun's coming up over the Liverpool skyline. And people ask why we do it. It's exactly why we do it. Bit of an update for you guys. So about 1 hour and 15 minutes off high water. Still the one cod for Jay. Getting a few little rattles, whiting bites. I think I've got a whiting on this one now. And I'm just keeping it out there. And get congers off of your strap. So hopefully something will come along and snap that up. But yeah, lovely morning. So we've got some tide pull now, which we're hoping is going to bring some fish in. Yeah, it's just, I mean, you thought maybe be a few others down here today, but it's just us. So we're trying a mixture of baits. This is squid and shrimp. Give that a go. But I thought there would have been a few more down here this morning, but there's not. Got the place to ourselves, even by the ferry. There's no one down there. Crack a morning for it. Absolutely crack a morning for it. We're just having a bit of a problem at the moment with a bit of weed coming down the tide. There's quite a lot of it running at the moment with the tide pull. It's still pulling quite hard. Got about 1 hour to high water now, so half an hour it should start to slacken off. But yeah, bit of an issue with the weed at the moment. "20 minutes now to high water. Tide slackened off. So finally get a bait a little bit further out if we can. There's a lot of boat activity on the river today, so we've got a bit of a tugboat there, towing along whatever that is behind it. I haven't got a clue what that is. The larger ship there coming in as well. And there was a couple of other tugboats coming down the river before, so very, very busy morning on the river. Right, so Jay's just gonna fill this cod here and see what's in the stomach. See what they've been feeding on. What did you have it on, Jay?
This was on cart.
It was on cart, that. Lovely looking fish, clean, isn't it?
Very, very
Lovely clean,
yeah.
lovely clean fish.
Let's have a little look at what's in his stomach, shall we? There's his stomach.
There's his stomach there.
There's all this. Get him in the water, give him a rinse. Let's see what he's been feeding on.
Full of crab, I bet you.
Yeah.
Shrimp.
Crab.
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 Yeah.
And more crab.
Yeah.
Just all crab.
To be honest, I mean, when I think back to my dad when he used to fish here, it was crab.
Yeah.
That's where he used to bag up on.
Yeah, just crab.
So it just goes to show, doesn't it?
All crab.
You got peeler crab.
That's actually a softie.
That's a softie, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
so there we go. Look at that. So what? Whack that on.
Crab.
Whack that on. Well, I've got that eddy there, so that'll go on in a minute. Nice.
Now we know what to feed on.
Yeah.
Crab.
That's the contents there of the cod stomach. Full of peeler crab. Just come across a bit of a slack patch there in the tide. You think that's where the boat kicks out. Must be a bit deeper there. Bit of a slack patch. Right, so high tide's been and gone now. Half an hour ago high tide was, so tide's starting to flood out again. We're going to make these our last cast. Yeah, it's still a one fish, the one cod for Jay. Yeah, we've had a few bites and stuff like that in between, but yeah, it's just the one fish really. But yeah, lovely to be out again. Great company as always. See what we can do on this last cast, but cracking morning on the river, absolutely lovely. Right, that's us guys. We're done, we're finished. We're out of here. Well done to Jay on his cod. First one I've seen this winter. But the saga continues with the blanking. #1 blanker. Hopefully next time guys, but thanks for watching. See you again.